So Michaela got the presidential suite, and it has her own balcony. It has a huge jacuzzi bathtub and a couch that Logan and I get to sleep on. It's amazing here. My goodness. All right, so Michaela and Amanda have already left. They have gone to do the Book of Kells and the Guinness storehouse. So we are going to be taking Gracie to go get some breakfast, and we're going to go to the National Archaeology Museum to take her to see like all of like the skeletons of like the huge whales and elk, and then we are going to go meet back up with them, and I think we're just going to go walk around the city, bar hop. Yesterday everyone was so tired. Everyone's getting a little bit sick also. So yesterday evening we just kind of took it easy. We hung out with each other in the hotel room, caught up because we haven't seen each other for so long. So today is going to be the day that we actually go out and do things and see the city. We are going to a breakfast spot called Ebb and Flow. It has Oreo French toast, and that's what Gracie wanted, so that's where we're going.
You got so close. That was cool.
Finished breakfast. Now we are going to the museum for Gracie, and we are walking through Stevens Green Park at the moment. Just taking our time. We saw some ducks, threw a penny in a wishing pond. Just finished at the Natural History Museum. Didn't spend too long there, just kind of did like a lap. Only the bottom floor is open. The top floor used to be open, but I think the stairs are still broken. Now we are going to go ahead to the Guinness storehouse to meet Michaela and Amanda.
Hi, this is Gracie, and over there is my teaching, and that's my big sister Abby, and that's Logan. And hi, everyone! This is the day we had vacation, and my mommy's in there, and you want to see her. She's really quiet. Okay, now we're gonna go back there. I'm leaving there dark because my mom's sick. And here we are. Out here, that's our door. And these are all our bags and stuff. And this is the movie we just watching. And this is the outside. You see, it's really windy out there. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to me, Gracie. This is the bathroom, and it has everything. And that's the wall in the bath. And that's the mirror. It's this looking in. That's my mom is awake now. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
That's Abby.
Hello.
And that's Titi Man.
Hi.
That's my mom.
Hi. Are you gonna go introduce Logan?
And this is the door we got. And we got these things in Hannah what there are. And we got this couch. Hello everyone, we just gonna go in a blankie.
Are you recording again?
You're charging.
Can I record you?
No.
Okay, so Michaela, Amanda, and Gracie are on their way to the airport. We are at the DART station, ready to go home. It's been a long weekend, but super fun, super fulfilling. They got to go out last night. I stayed and had a great girls' night with Gracie. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna try to come back into town for a meetup with those girls that I met up with before, and just go back to living our life here. Today, Logan and I are going to London.
Logan's tired.
It is like 7 o'clock in the morning. I have a little bit of a cold still. We're exhausted, but this is my Christmas gift Logan got me, and we're going to go see the Cursed Child in the theater in London. Okay, so we're bringing one carry-on each that we get to check with Aer Lingus for free, and then our backpacks, and that is it. Because he got these tickets and we're going, we decided we were going to make like a 5-day weekend trip over this. We're gonna go do sightseeings in London, go do some tours, and I think we're gonna try to hit some Ted Lasso scenery. All right, made it in time to catch We got the goods, and now we are heading down to the lounge to eat some breakfast.
It's for free.
We had some breakfast. We relaxed for a little bit. I finally charged my phone because I didn't charge it last night.
You didn't?
No. I was charging our battery packs. Now we are on our way to our gate, and we should be taking off here in about an hour. I'm going to be reading the play. He's listening to a podcast. We are going to land and then just go straight to the hotel and relax because he's got a full day's work still, and I'm going to get a little bit of work in also. We made it to London, got all of our luggage, it made it safe. Thanks, we got to see it on the air tags. So now we are just gonna go to the hotel and work. So shuttles in London cost money. So they're more expensive than the public transportation to the hotel. So we're just gonna take a taxi instead, and it's super cute. Back at our favorite hotel. All right, so Moxy gave us complimentary gin drinks.
We will take them.
Oh my God, these
Whoa,
are so good.
Fruity.
You're so good. This is cute. I like it. Nice big bathroom. It's a good one. This is cool. Our Uber just dropped us off at Airbnb. We are looking for the Airbnb at the moment. We can't check in for another 30 minutes, but then after we do check in, we're gonna go straight to get some food, and then right after that, we're going straight to the Cursed Child play.
Let's go.
Logan did a great job. This place is so cute. Like, just look at this. It's like a little city inside the city.
It's pretty cool. It's gated, but the gate opens
Just willingly.
to anybody. But it's cool.
It is. I really, really like it here. Good find. We just checked into the Airbnb. The cleaning lady was so nice and let us in early, so we were able to store our things there. We are now heading out to catch the next Uber to go to brunch, and we are only going to be there for an hour because the play is at 2. Brunch gets over at 1:30. Delicious. We're only about like a 5-minute walk now from the theater, so we already paid. We paid beforehand because we are only 30 minutes away from the show, so we need to hurry there now. The weather is impeccable right now. Like, it's hot and I'm loving it.